GComhairle, and I just have 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and I just want to use my voice. I'm horrified at the sabre rattling, not by Russia alone, but by NATO, by America, by England. I think it's completely unacceptable. And I want to quote from Afri, who have written to us all and pointed out on the death of Desmond Tutu. He identified war and the war industry as one of the greatest evils of our time, pointing to the immoral wastage of resources which it represents, as well as the extent to which it destroys people and wreaks havoc on our precious planet. And it goes on to talk about, on the occasion, this is Afri, and I agree totally, on the occasion of the burial of such a great peacemaker, we ask, why is Ireland increasingly joining the warmongers club? And that's exactly what we are doing. And at that point in January, the question was, why are we increasing spending on weapons of death? And why are we encouraging Irish businesses to get involved in producing weapons? If I had longer, I would go into that, Minister. For today, I'm using my voice to say, I don't agree with what Russia's doing. I certainly don't agree with what NATO is doing. And what we have here is absolute warmongering, with games of war without any reality, or the voice of Ireland to be neutral and using that voice in a positive way. What was said in relation to Russian-Irish relations and up on the website of the Department of Foreign Affairs, Ireland's election to the UN Security Council for the period 21-22 has enhanced high-level links between Ireland and Russia. High-level links enhance that. What have we done with that role? How have we used that role? Minister, you might enlighten us today, rather than join in the voice of the warmongers. Consensus has got us into trouble before, and information that led us to go into Iraq, not me, but led to the invasion of Iraq, absolutely based on false information. So I'm using my voice today to say Ireland is a neutral country, no troops through Shannon. Let's make that clear. We will not allow Shannon to be used. And then finally, in my last few seconds, I want to raise Palestine again. And I want to see, was that raised? And what action we're now taking. We've expressed concern in relation to the organisations that were designated as terrorist organisations. Let's go beyond our concern. Let's make a statement now as an independent, sovereign country ourselves. And what have we done to help those 6 organisations that have been unacceptably and deplorably designated as terrorist organisations? I understand we fund 2 of them.